Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitchin with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be working on train travel from VIPCrossStitch, and we're going to be working here in this green trunk, and the color is 890. Yep, 890, and it's kind of a darkish green. And it goes right next to the green that we worked on another time. So I really can't see too much of a difference. But kind of a dark olive green, if you will. So yeah, let me move something out of my freeway there. And get you pulled in so you can see what is going on. Yeah. How's everybody doing? Hope you're all having a great day and a great week. Well, let's see. Yesterday it was cold and a little wind, nothing too terribly bad, but cold and rainy is what I started to say. So it kept that up all day long, so hopefully today the sun will come out, because it sure didn't come out yesterday at all. Yeah. So I sat and sipped tea. I did stitch on, dang it, the rabbit in the library. So, got a little bit of that outside circle done. Not too much. Did a little slow stitching, watched some YouTube, Netflix, you know, the usual characters. So, and my daughter brought my, what do you call it, laundry back, so I had to put that all away. So, fun times to be had by all. And I did talk to the home health people about them coming and giving me a shower, since I could not manage that by myself. So we'll see. Oh, goodness gracious. So what's everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun, something exciting. I got an email yesterday from a viewer, and they said this was a start, but they didn't send me a picture. So if you're that person, I need a picture that I can put up. It will be great, and we'll get it into the next stitch with me. I guess I should have just emailed you back, but you know, it went right over my head and got lost. Oh, for crying out loud. I guess you can kind of see the difference between these two greens. But it's not the limey, I don't know, I call it a lime green. It's not going in lime green. So we'll see. I think there's maybe another symbol there. Not real sure, but there's an awful lot of this dark green. So we'll just stitch it the way it is given and not worry about it. It'll still be pretty. Anybody going anywhere this weekend? We're getting closer to the weekend. Oh, and my granddaughter, she has to have a cast. So she's got a cast on now on her ankle. So that should keep her foot kind of steady now, so, and I don't remember, you know, how long or anything like that, so, yeah. But, poor her. But I'm sure she's easier to move around than I am. She weighs about 1/10 of what I'd weigh. And she's smaller. So, she's doing okay. She goes to school, and we'll see. Today's the first time she gets to go with the cast on. She had the boot and the crutches, but yeah. So she's doing fine. Just getting here and there. She can't ride the bus, though, because of the crutches. So, we'll see. Oh my goodness. Well, we got that little part done. See if I can get some of this up here done. Yeah, I'm going to put a knot in it. I know. I don't want to go there. One little knot out of the whole scheme of things is not going to hurt anything. These are all full, full cross stitch, so not a big deal here. I think the half cross stitch, if there is any, I don't remember, is up on top, you know, like the sky or the background or a little bit of shading or something. I just, I know it has back stitch in it, but not real sure about the half cross stitch. All right. Just put that up here. Like to get them flowers done over there, but you know, whoops, I can take that out of there. It was just holding everything. Let me, oh crud, I went the wrong way. I'm so sorry. All right, guys, I had a little hitch in my get along there. So we almost got that side done. There's a little bit more pink and a little bit more purple there. And there's some all over the rest of this. But, yep, so that side's almost done. So we'll see what the rest of the colors look like. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.